How to turn on data saver mode on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I will be showing you how you can turn on data saver mode on YouTube. So if you're wondering how, stick till the end and do not skip the video. So let's get started. First of all, open up the YouTube on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you land on this home page, now head over to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then again, tap on the settings from the upper right corner of this interface. That's gonna take you to the settings page, and here find out video quality preferences and tap on that. That will take you to this interface where you will find two sections, upper one video quality on mobile network and just below that video quality on Wi-Fi. Now under this mobile network section there is an option that says data saver. So tap on that. This will provide you the lower picture quality, but it will prevent the extra data wastage. Now if you like to do the same with the Wi-Fi section as well, so you can simply go with data saver on the Wi-Fi as well, and that's also gonna lower your picture quality but will prevent the extra data wastage. And that's all takes you to turn on data saver mode in YouTube. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.